Hello friends, today's recipe is yummy and tasty bittergourd gravy. Usually we make bittergourd fry or bittergourd chips because it has some bitterness taste, so everyone will don't like to eat this. But if we make this yummy and tasty gravy, everyone will like it and all the rice will be over because it has very delicious taste. Now see how to make this gravy. In a pan I'm going to add 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil and chopped bitter gourd. It should be sliced in round slices and the seed should be removed. Now I am going to saute all the bitter gourd for about 7 to 8 minutes in a medium flame. All the bitter gourd should be fried in a golden color. If we fry bitter gourd in oil, all its bitterness tastes will be reduced to a half to quarterness. That's why I am frying in oil. After all the bitter gourds are fried, in the same oil I am going to add half a teaspoon of mustard and cumin seeds and some fenugreek, garlics, chopped onions. I am using one big sized onion. Now I am going to saute all the masalas in a low flame. After the onions all become translucent, I am going to add some curry leaves and saute it. Onions should be fried well. Now I am going to add 2 tomato puree which is grinded in a mixie. Now I'm going to saute all the masalas. Tomatoes should be sauteed in until it becomes thick. Now I'm going to adding masalas. Turmeric powder, 2 to 3 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder to enhance the color of the gravy. Now I am going to add 50 ml of tamarind puree and 1 cup of water. You should add water according to your gravy's thickness. I am adding 1 cup of water and mixing all the masalas together. Now I am going to add a 2 pinch of asafoetida and some salt. Now I am going to mix all the gravy very well. The gravy should boil for about 10 to 15 minutes until thick consistency. See, the gravy has been boiling well. Now I am going to add the fried bitter gourd and mix it well. Without frying, bitter gourd will have that bitterness taste, so the gravy will also become bitter. So frying is a very must in this gravy recipe. Now I am going to cover it with a lid and boil for 10 to 15 minutes until the gravy becomes thick and oil should separate. Gravy should boil in a very low flame and we have to mix in between to avoid the burning of the masalas. See, the gravy has been thickened and all the bitter gourd has been cooked well. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of jaggery to enhance the taste and to reduce the bitterness taste. See, very yummy and tasty bitter gourd gravy has been ready. Now we can serve it with the hot rice. It will be very super and tasty. Those who don't like bitter gourd recipe for its bitterness taste, please try this recipe. It will be very delicious and very yummy in taste. Thanks for watching.